In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of your page from white to whatever you want. So you're going to use the HTML hex color picker to find the color that you like, and in the style section of your page, you're going to add the following tag: body, curly brackets, background dash color, colon, and then the hex code, and then a semicolon, and close your brackets. So let's see what that looks like. Here's my page with white. Let's say I want to change it to a green. So in there, we'll go in the style section, paste green body, and then body background dash color. And then I can change the hex code to the number I want. Let's save and update it to see what we've done. And there's green if you want to keep it. Keep playing around with those colors. Have fun.